New art wall.
Nice sunset, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I missed it. The clouds stole some of it.
Ah, you were here.
Want a puff of the blunt?
Oh, I'm good, bro. Thank you.
I know you're good. I'm burning up. As soon as this blunt's going, I'm out of here.
Yeah, man. That
Straight.
must be painful.
It gets there. It doesn't always.
That's
But
good,
it like
man.
builds up. It must build up in me.
It's good you have
It's a
some
builder.
tolerance.
Is it? I hope so.
It is, yeah, because, you know, the fight is sometimes more important than the result.
That's what I said. I said the spirit's stronger than the vessel. Dude, I opened up my box to go inside it like an hour ago. I'm like, fuck this shit. The sun's still out. I can't go in there. It's like my depressed. I feel like I'm going into my depressed mind
Nah,
again.
but sometimes you need rest, too. It's
Yeah,
good.
but I'm
even
too
if
what?
Even if it's only 5 minutes.
Yeah, but it's like I don't want to just.
I don't blame you. I do this. I can't go in my hole.
Right.
You know,
It's
like,
a hole.
I feel that way.
Yeah. No matter, mine's like messy at the moment, but even if it was perfect, I still don't want to go in it.
Mine is super messy.
Unless I had a woman, a cool woman to hang
That
out.
helps.
That changes the. That changes it. It's just lonely. It's like going inside that whole bitter.
I got you.
Happy Friday.
I got you.